Hey there, Marco here and welcome back to the channel. Ever walked out of a meeting thinking, wait, what were the key takeaways or what do I actually need to do next? Instead of rewatching an hour-long call or sifting through endless notes, what if AI could just tell you? That's exactly what Ask Fathom does. Fathom is your personal meeting assistant letting you interact with your recordings just like you would with ChatGPT. Ask a question and get instant answers. Need a summary, a follow-up email, feedback on how you spoke? Just ask. So let's dive in and see how it works. On my meeting recording page, I have three main tabs: Summary, Transcript, and Ask Fathom. Clicking on Ask Fathom opens a familiar chat interface just like you'd see in AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Grok. It even comes with built-in prompts to get you started. So let's say I just had a project update meeting about launching a landing page. Instead of scrabbling through the entire recording, I can just type "summarize the key decisions made in this meeting" and list the next steps with deadlines. In seconds, Fathom AI gives me a clear structure breakdown. Maybe need a follow-up email? No problem, just ask something like draft a follow-up email to Axel, confirming the next steps and deadlines we discussed. Instantly, Fathom generates a draft email that you can copy, tweak if needed, and send. Goodbye manual email writing. But it doesn't stop there. You can ask Fathom anything related to your meeting. For example, you want to refine your communication skills? Try, how many filler words did I use? And Fathom will analyze your speech and give you a breakdown. Need a follow-up email in another language? No problem. Help me draft a follow-up email in Italian. And boom, done in seconds. So, why it matters? Meetings shouldn't feel like a time sink. Instead of rewatching recordings or digging through notes, just ask Fathom for exactly what you need. Summarize, action items, even feedback on how you spoke. It's all about working smarter. Clear insights, no hassle, no time wasted. You stay focused, improve communication, and automate the boring stuff, so you can move forward faster. So the features I just showed you are part of Fathom Premium, but you can try it for free for 1 month using my affiliate link. Check the description below. Also, don't forget to follow me on X, Mastodon, and Blue Sky, join my Discord server, and subscribe to my newsletter for more deep dives into productivity, knowledge management, and automation. All the links are below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, stay productive.